I'm now going to cover how to format time as a string with the string format time methods. That's what this strftime stands for, string format time. So we're going to turn our time, really our date time, into a string. That's what this means. And in order to use this, you need to be aware of the string directives, which is in the, this is actually the official Python documentation, not in pandas. So we'll go down here. So here are the directives over here on the left-hand side. So what this will do is, for instance, this %a, if you put this inside the string, Python or pandas will convert whatever weekday it is into an abbreviation. So it'll use, sun for Sunday, MON for Monday, and so forth. You want the full name, you do %A. You can get the weekday as a number. So this is how you translate that date time into a string. All right, so let's go ahead and look back here. And here is our, here's our series. So we can use all of many different string directives. And so the reason this is here is because the max column width normally is 60 characters. I'm going to make it 100 so that I can fit this in. I'm just going to run this. So what I've done here, make sure you see what's happened. I've called the str format time method from the DT accessor. And then I just pass it in a string. And then I use these directives like %A. And you look over here, and what is %A? Well, that's the full weekday name. So you can see here, %B, like what is that? That is the month's full name. Right, so this is on %A. That means on. This is a Friday, June 28th, 2013. So this is the month. This is the day right there, 28. This is the year, 2013. At %X, if we go over here, %X is the entire time over here. You could have just put the hour or whatever, and then you can put anything else in here, right? Anything that's not a percent will go exactly where it is relative to the other directives. So pretty cool. We can take a look at some other ones. Instead of, we can use, I thought %H would have been hour. Yeah, it is. Okay, so at 14 o'clock and so forth. So there's lots of cool things you can do here. You can actually turn it into a 12-hour clock like this, and it'll figure that out. You can even give it AM or PM. You can put %P over here. So at 7 p.m., something great happened. All right, so very cool. Just you have to be aware of these string directives, and then you can use this string format time method.